Take a jack to psilocybin with the maple leaf. Sugar coats an evil world in my sobriety. I'd be better with you next to me. I work upon a praying for a little bit of rain, but I'm flooded like the water in the window pane. Taken over by the mold and going in my brain. Might sound crazy, but it keeps me